Actually, today is very special day for all of you, especially for the new couple. So why is special? You know, I think you know yourself, right? Because today is your day, very special. Um, Today is 11 November 2022, right? So if you write down as number, you will see 11 and then 11 and 2022. So it's very easy to know that, for your special day for 2022. And the most important thing is that if I say your president is also joining your wedding as well, you believe so? You okay, right? Okay, yeah, because your president, Joe Biden, will arrive tomorrow. As I know that, yes. And special day as well because in Cambodia, today we have a special summit that is Asian. And tomorrow, many other leaders will join as well. That's why I say it's very auspicious and special. And the thing that I noticed that, the family from US is very great with the Cambodian clothes. Yeah, you look very handsome, okay, right? Big smile, huh? And also your mommy, right? Yeah, look very great with our clothes. So we are very good. I think all among and our relative, the both family, both Thai, Khmer, and US, they enjoy very much. But how about all of you? You enjoy today? Yeah, I think, but the weather is different. I think from US, it's very hot. That's why we need fan. And also our culture and tradition for the wedding ceremony is a little bit, a lot of program. So it takes time for you to join it, and you might not understand all those meaning. Might be boring, but actually our culture is very rich, and there is a meaning inside for every event culture. Like today, actually, it is the tradition to acknowledge and recognize lawfully and traditionally for the new couple. And the thing is different from Cambodian couple is that this is Khmer and then US, right? So I think it's very rare couple, not so many. And I really appreciate this couple because you both, I think, understand each other and follow the tradition and the culture of each tradition. Yeah, that's why all of you joining this wedding. I think it's not only your family, but maybe your friend and your relative to experience our culture and tradition. Actually, the wedding for Khmer people, it's just like once a time in life. Yeah, they don't make many weddings in their life. So especially for the women, it's very special for them. In Cambodian society, women is so valuable. That we support them, we give the rights to the women. So we do everything to support, to encourage, especially merit is so important for the Cambodian girl, Cambodian women. I think the U.S. culture is not so much complicated, so sometimes we just go to the church, right? So, and not so many program or even just enjoy and lawfully recognize but Cambodia a little bit complicated, but I think you will enjoy it with our culture. And maybe today, tomorrow, and then we'll have to go to the homeland, very far from this place as well. Like for the monk, because we have a good relation with the family. So for me, from very far from Phnom Penh, that is Bat Thambong, is close to your province in Banteay Meanchey, and also from Banteay Meanchey and from Bat Thambong as well. So many monks come here to bless you, to wish you have a very happy married life. You accept it or not? I think you just take your mommy and daddy as a great model, great role. I think the both family have very good family culture tradition that there is no. I mean, in the U.S. tradition, maybe sometimes they break up or something, but I think you both very good, right? And then this family as well, they take hand in hand, for a long journey in life. As you understand that life is very hard, even you live alone, but you face a lot of problem. So if you have now, you are not single anymore, right? No single anymore. It's called a family life or a couple life, married life. So this thing that you have to consider, and you have to think it and accept everything. Accept everything. Why I say the word accept? Because now you love her very much, and you also love him very much. But sometimes love each other passionately, passionately. Not love in compassion and loving kindness. Love just like appearance. But our body physically is not the same, right? It's changing. Your mommy, your daddy, your grandma, so not look beautiful anymore. I mean, like physically appearances. So, but why they still love each other? So in the same way, the most important thing that we have to develop in our mind is that compassion and loving kindness that can sustain the happy married life is most important thing. So I have 3 medicines. You want to take it? Medicine, but if we talk about medicine, maybe no one want to take it, right? No one want to take it, because if I gonna take medicine because I got sick, right? But these 3 medicine is so important thing that can cure everything, especially for the life of couple, for the life of marriage. Medicine, when you take because you felt not fine, you had headache, you got fever, you have to take medicine, you have to go to see doctor, right? But these 3 medicine can sustain your happy married life, and also can help you to live happily in this life and also next life. You want to see each other in next life as well, right? Maybe because you enjoy it as a couple life. The 3 medicine that you have to take, it is, first one is to be honest. First medicine. And the second medicine is be patient. And the third medicine is, why you smile? I will ask you something, okay? Okay, when I finish my shot, I will finish very soon because I think you got exhausted or tired. But I just give you 3 medicine, and I hope these 3 medicine you will take along with you all the time. And I hope you will understand how important it is. So the first one is first medicine is to be honest, honesty, and the second one is patient, be patient, and the third one is what's that? The third one, third one is okay. I will speak in Khmer a little bit. ញាតិញោមញាតិញោម ស្ដាប់បានអត់ញោមនៅក្រោយនៅណានៅស្ដាប់បានអត់ I asked do they listen you can listen they said yeah they don't know English but they said they can listen but they cannot understand can listen but cannot understand in the same way when we speak Khmer so you can listen right you can hear but you don't understand it any one of you know Khmer some Khmer word right okay you can speak Khmer that oh ចប់បាត់ណាខ្ញុំនិយាយអង់គ្លេសមួយថ្ងៃមួយនិយាយកូនកំឡោះនិយាយខ្មែរបាទឆ្លើយមួយបាត់ very good but very polite this is but it's a little bit different the word that we reply to the monks we say kona instead of bad yes yep kona okay I will teach you right now after I finish just very មកគេលេខអីយកgiờ ông lê cái sao cái ông lê chạy không ai pon ló này pon ló mới very the good wife that teach yeah tradition culture Khmer everything you teach and you enjoy Khmer food huh? yeah very good yeah okay ថ្មមិញប្រាប់គេអំពីធัว3ដែលអាត្មានិយាយមិនអាត្មាមិននិយាយធัวទេអាត្មានិយាយថាចិត្តថ្នាំដែលយើងលេបទៅគឺថាជួយយើងគឺថាការពារជំងឺអាចជួយយើងព្យាបាលអីសពបែបយ៉ាងជាពិសេសគឺក្នុងជីវិតជាគ្រួសារពាហ្នឹងត្រូវមានថ្នាំ3ហើយត្រូវលេបរហូតទី1គឺបើបល័យថាសច្ចៈណាញោមសច្ចៈទី1សច្ចៈទី2ខន្តីដល់ទី3ញោមដឹងណាទី3អីគេកតញ្ញូហ្នឹងហើយកតញ្ញូcho sister can យល់ហើយណាទី1សច្ចៈទី2ខន្តីទី3សច្ចៈខន្តីកតញ្ញូនឹងល្អណាហ្នឹងហើយថ្នាំ3គ្រាប់នឹងលេបរហូតទៅ so the first medicine that is honesty and the second that is what's that patient and the third is gratitude so I think it's very important for each of us it's not only for the couple life but for everyone like honesty you know to be honest is so important if you lying if you are not honest to anyone so you will have no any friend right no family no friend no you know business will not run well because you are not honest with everyone in the same way as a family life have to be honest I think you understand it like adultery or something else so in Cambodia so like so a little bit strict but I think it's the same way because we got the partner as a wife as a husband already so honest to each other so there is no any disease that come to our couple life to break up because we have that medicine you know we have that medicine in our body so can prevent all those breaking up and the second patient in Khmer word we say ថ្មិញនឹងអណ្ដាតថ្មិញនឹងអណ្ដាតតែងប៉ះគ្នាយល់ទេថ្មិញនឹងអណ្ដាតដល់ពេលយើងនិយាយពេលខ្លះយើងទទួលទានអីពេលវាខំអណ្ដាត you know is Khmer word that we say tongue you know tongue and the teeth is sometimes what happen sometimes it bite you know it sometimes you bite you know so you got hurt right because your tongue and teeth is they stay together the thing that we can learn is that we cannot avoid any argument we cannot avoid sometimes it will you will have argument, dislike, or something that you don't want to happen in the family. So how to solve the problem? Be patient. Be patient. Without patience, you will, angry, right? And then you will not accept all those things. So this quality, these two medicine, very, very important, I think. Patience. You got it right, sister? Don't be so, is she nice to you? Very good. But sometimes the women very talkative, sometimes. And many things, but I don't know, but hopefully, yeah. One thing, the secret of happy married life, you can note it and you can understand it. Mutual understanding. Mutual understanding is the secret of happy married life. So I think this is so important for you because we have different culture. So mutual understanding. I think you got it because you come here to enjoy, to understand, to do as they wish. So also the women also have to understand this, and then any different, so you have to accept as well. It's the secret, it's not open, secret. So you take it, you understand it, it's the secret for your own happy married life. And the last is about gratitude. I think it's very important because the good is come from gratitude. Like you can see your husband because she has done a lot of things. So you have to be grateful to him by doing many things or something that you think that this is beneficial for him, that is helpful for him. And also the husband should understand and be grateful to the wife. She's not with the family, I think you will go back, right, to US or to somewhere. So you will enjoy both of you and very far from the family. I think the man is so strong, but for the women is weak. Physically weak, but maybe mentally strong. I don't know. And knowledge also very strong. But traditionally Cambodia, the women is hardly go far away from their family, from their mommy. Usually they stay with the family for the women. So I really appreciate her so much that he tried so hard to get knowledge, to got scholarship, to study abroad, and got very good husband. So maybe he want to enjoy that, take journey, like adventure, to find the angel in somewhere. You want to find the angel in some other country? Yeah. He will find an angel. Actually, the monk cannot get married, just kidding. So you got it, right? So I finished my sermon. Hopefully you understand it. You got it. So I want to hear from you a little bit, both of you, kinds of determination and promise to your wife and to your husband, and in front of the both relatives. Just a few words, actually. Yeah. So could you please come here, both of you? Yeah. Both of you come forward. Could you please give the hand to the both family? Yeah. Good. Yeah. Very good. Oh, vậy Khmer mò rồi nè. Cái cặp boy Khmer kia. Dạ mò. Quay bài đang cho bài này. You turn your face to me. Yeah. But like this. Okay. Mẹ bỏ ra một cái này. Okay. You decide. Okay. Yeah. Good. Okay. So I ask you, what's your name, and then how many Khmer word, or what you can speak about Khmer, like something. Okay. You speak Khmer, nah?
Yeah. But
Like do like this. Okay.
okay.
ខ្ញុំពូណា you say ខ្ញុំពូណា
ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ
ខ្ញុំពូណា
ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះJesse ហើយខ្ញុំស្រឡាញ់ស្រីនេះ ហើយខ្ញុំរៀនខ្មែរខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តនៅខ្មែរ
ខ្ញុំឆាត់ទីដើម្បីខ្ញុំខាងកាមេរ៉ា no បែរអូខេបាយ no close okay each other
Yeah
so would you tell me why what the reason what the reason that you love her so much
that I can't say well enough in Khmer but since meeting her I've never found somebody that's so open-minded kind generous and somebody who can make you smile and support you no matter what you're doing and so this is somebody that I found that's done so much for me and I only want to do so much for her to make her happy.
So what do you want to say to her and to the family?
To you? I have another speech written, but I don't have it here.
Just say something.
Yeah, but I just want to say how much I love you and appreciate you and how excited I am for the life we're building together. And for Krusanyom, Krusarita, Somakon, Samrap Tenga, Srulain Yong, Chui Yong, Hai, Chui Yong Chan, Chui Rien Khmer, Hai, Sa, Mahop Khmer, yeah, Srulain Rita, how are you? Yeah.
Very good, thank you. And say something to him. Maybe okay.
Well,
ខ្ញុំកណា
ខ្ញុំកណាសូមស្វាគមន៍ព្រះអង្គទាំងអស់ក្នុងថ្ងៃនេះ I don't know what else I can tell you. I could not find somebody that so loving, so kind, and so generous and ready to try anything. And sometimes I question your judgment of like why you would want to try that, but I follow you. It make life very adventurous and fun. So thank for everything, and I hope and wanted to be more patient. I love you. I know I want to say something to Jesse's family, and I thank you very much for supporting us and fly all the way and trying to do all this thing. Really, I appreciate it.
I would like to hear from your mother and your mommy, daddy. Just a few words that you want to wish and bless. Okay, please. And ខ្ញុំស្រីមកផងខ្ញុំមកទាំងពីរមកទាំងពីរ Okay, crying happy. Okay, you come forward. Okay. Just say something that you wish your daughter and your son. How you feel today?
Overwhelmed. I'm so happy to have Rita in our family. I see how much you support each other, how much you make each other laugh, and how much you love each other. And I couldn't ask for anything more.
Very good.
Yes, I am so happy to have Rita as kind of part of our family, and we are so very proud of both of them and all the challenges they had to overcome to be together. It wasn't easy, and I really admire you both, and I couldn't be happier. It's one of my happiest days ever, and I'm so proud of you both. And I have no doubt that you're going to have a wonderful and long, successful marriage. From the first time I met you, I knew that, I think I knew in my heart that you would be together forever. Yeah, I'm just overwhelmed and just very happy and proud of you both.
Very good. Siêu vật, anh nhung, ở cô con trang tích mà mắt đi mắt mắt đây.
ណាសូមនមស្ការថ្វាយបង្គំលោកម្ចាស់គ្រប់ព្រះអង្គហើយអរគុណញាតិញោមដែលបានមកចូលរួមនិងខាង JC ទាំងអស់អរគុណច្រើនដែលបានចូលរួមហើយថ្ងៃនេះក្នុងដែរជាសិរីមង្គលរបស់កូនខ្ញុំទាំងពីរខ្ញុំសូមជូនពរកូនទាំងពីរឲ្យបានសេចក្តីសុខសេចក្តីចម្រើនហើយមានសុភមង្គលក្នុងគ្រួសារកុំមានវិបត្តិអីឆ្លោះគ្នាអីសូមបានសេចក្តីសុខសេចក្តីចម្រើនរួចផុតចាកទុក្ខទាំងពួងសូមឲ្យកូនប្រកបដោយធម៌ 5 សិល 5 គឺប្រកបដោយករណាមុទិតាឧបេក្ខាសូមឲ្យកូនមានកាន់ជាប់ក្នុងខ្លួនដោយសេចក្តីមេត្តាក្នុងចិត្តគ្រប់គ្នាដើម្បីឲ្យបានសេចក្តីសុខសេចក្តីចម្រើនក្នុងក្រុមគ្រួសារបាទអរគុណ
Tiếng đôi anh ấy đó. Happy đó. Heart from heart. Yeah. Okay, that's finished my sermon. So at last, I would like to wish you happy married life and love each other forever, and take your daddy and mommy couple life as a role model, how much they love each other and can take the long journeys. The both sides have that experience, so you can learn from them both. So thank you very much, everyone. Thank you.
សូមអរប្រគុណដែលជាព្រះអង្គជាសាស្ត្រាចារ្យអក្សរសាស្ត្រខ្មែរមានបន្ទូល3យ៉ាងនេះកូនកំមុំកូនកន្លងលោកជាហើយណាហើយមេត្តាបេតាក៏ជ្រាបភ្ញៀវ